Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. My name is Anurag Tiwari. I welcome you all to my channel Inside Academy English. Today I am sitting with Ayush and Ayush is going to perform speaking. Now, today I am going to speak with Ayush and the condition is that I will speak everything on the basis of chapters. Means every question I will ask on a particular chapter. And let's see whether Ayush is able to speak or not or whether Ayush is able to make sentences in a proper manner or not. Ayush, how have you been?
I have been good. I have been good.
That's nice. Are you ready to speak in English with me? At what time do you wake up in morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock at morning. At 7 o'clock in the morning.
At 7 o'clock.
Yes.
After waking up, what do you do?
After waking up, I do yoga.
You do yoga.
Yes.
For how long do you do yoga?
I do yoga on 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Do you have a flexible body?
Yes, I have a flexible body.
Can you tell me names of some yogasana or pranayam or whatever you do?
Yes, I can tell you yoga's name.
Like
Like Sirsasana, Garudasana, Salbhasana, Pun Salbhasana, and extra.
since when have you been doing yoga?
I have been doing yoga 1 year.
For 1 year.
For 1 year.
For 1 year.
For 1 year.
Okay. Can you teach me how to do yoga?
Yes, I can teach you how to do yoga.
Please don't speak, Ronak. Otherwise, you know na. Good boy. Yeah. So, where are you about to go after this tuition?
I am about to go to all subject tuition after this tuition.
After this
Tuition.
Yeah. Does your mother also do yoga?
No, my mother does not also do yoga. My mother does not do yoga.
Your father does yoga?
Yes, my father does yoga.
Really?
Yes.
Does your sister do yoga?
No, my sister does not do yoga.
Okay. So why do you do yoga? Why actually? What is your reason behind this?
I do yoga because I go to I went to competition from school and school teacher tell me you do yoga so your
Your height or body?
yes, my height is very tall and you
Very tall?
yes, and I I will go to other competition with you.
Okay.
Bring-
So, are you desirous of learning Marathi?
No, I am not desirous of learning Marathi.
Have you ever been to Mumbai?
No, I am not. No,
I have.
I have not ever to been Mumbai.
You have never been to Mumbai?
No, I have not never to Mumbai.
Okay. Do you have your personal phone?
No, I don't have my personal phone.
If you get a chance to get a new phone, which phone would you like to have? Oppo, Realme, iPhone, or OnePlus, or Samsung, or any other company?
I purchase Infinix.
I would like to
I
purchase
would like to purchase a Infinix company phone.
Infinix company's phone.
Yes.
Why? What is so special about Infinix company?
I would like to Infinix company phone because
It
its phone has a very good game. He
it means it has some good type of you can say
games and games.
do you know about IP rating or processor or something like this about mobile phones? Anything?
No, I don't know.
Snapdragon processor and anything like that. Don't you know?
No, I don't know.
How many friends do you have in your street?
In my street, I have 12 friends.
12 friends.
Yes.
On your holidays, during your weekends, like weekends means on Sunday and Saturday, do you play with them?
Yes, I play with them in my holidays.
What type of games do you play?
I play cricket.
Cricket. Cricket.
Cricket.
Cricket.
Cricket.
Na ki cricket. Cricket.
Cricket.
So you play cricket.
Yes, I play cricket.
What are you? You are a batsman or a bowler?
I am batsman and
You
bowler
are
man.
both.
Yes.
Okay, you are both. That's nice. So, what would you like to become in your future?
I would like to become in my future cricketer.
A cricketer.
Yes, a cricketer.
Who is your role model in cricket?
Is my role model in cricket both?
Means like whom do you follow? Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar or
I I follow Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you watch cricket live
Yes, I watch cricket live.
on TV with
Yes.
your father, mother, or alone
I watch cricket with my father.
with your father?
Yes.
Are you not scared of me? Shlok, I'm asking you. Aren't you scared of me? So, why the hell are you doing like this? Okay. How much time does it take to play one game?
I take time 1 hour to play like cricket and badminton. Badminton. Yes.
Okay. If you don't mind, can I ask about your family members?
Yes. You ask about my family member.
You can ask
You can ask about my family
about your
members.
family member. How many members are there in your family?
In my family, there are 14 members.
14 members.
Yes.
Okay. And whom do you love most? Your father, your mother, your grandparents, or like someone else?
I love someone else.
Who is that?
Like my mother and father, grandparents, my
Like you love many people
yes, in my family.
in your family.
Yes.
Whenever you need money, who gives you money?
I need money, so my father and mother gives me money. Sometimes my grandparents gives money.
Your grandparents give you money also at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, that's a great thing. So, like, are you able to cook food?
No, I am not able to cook food.
Are you able to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I am able to ride a bicycle.
Are you able to drive a car?
No, I am not able to drive a car.
Are you able to make tea?
Yes, I am able to make tea.
How much time will you take?
I will take. I will not take tea.
How much time will it take to you to make tea?
I some in this month. In this month, I will. I don't make tea.
In this month, you did not make tea.
Yes,
Okay.
I did
Okay.
not.
So you are not aware of your timings.
Yeah, I make bananas.
No. Are you a big fan of Rohit Sharma?
Yes, I'm a big fan of Rohit Sharma.
Are you not a big fan of Virat Kohli?
No, I'm not a big fan of Virat Kohli.
Okay. Do you take baths on daily basis?
Yes, I'm take bath to daily basis.
I take baths
I take bath to daily basis.
on daily basis.
On daily basis. I take bath on daily basis.
What do you have a habit of doing in your free time?
I have a habit of doing in my free time. I watch TV and I operate phone and I play cricket with my friends.
Do you operate Instagram?
No, I am not operate. No, I am.
Don't operate.
I don't operate Instagram.
But I have watched your videos, your reels on Instagram.
But
Was it
I operate Instagram sometimes.
sometimes?
Yes, like make a video.
So are you fond of making videos?
Yes, I am fond of making videos.
You are fond of making such kind of videos.
Yes, I am fond of making such kind of videos.
So your sister also makes video with you?
Yes, my sister also make video. You
Okay.
follow my channel?
Yeah, I follow your ID.
Idea.
So I have seen your ID so many times, multiple times. So would you let me show it to other people, to all the students?
No, you are not. You
You are not allowed to
you are not allowed to
show
show other children
other children.
Other children.
Okay, okay. Don't worry, I will not show it.
because
Yeah, because
other children
are
are make
will
will
make fun of
make
me.
fun of me.
Yeah, they will make fun of you. Where is father right now?
My father my father on duty right now.
Is on duty.
Is on duty right
And
now.
where is your mother right now?
My mother is at home right now.
At home.
Yes.
Is your mom able to cook food properly?
Yes, my mother is able to cook food properly.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
Okay. How many times do you celebrate your birthday in a year?
In a year, I celebrate my birthday one time, 2 August.
Only one time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Why are you sitting here?
I am sitting here because I have to shoot video.
You have to shoot
Video.
video. Okay. Have you ever stolen any book?
No, I have. I have not steal
Third form आएगी ना stolen.
stolen other kind of book.
Other kind of books.
Yes.
Now the ball is in your court. It means now it's your turn to ask questions. You have to ask questions for at least 5 minutes, because you also need to be able to ask questions.
Okay.
You are doing good, but again improvement is to be made in order to make you all capable of speaking fluently. Now you guys are not going to learn any chapter. Now onwards I will only focus about your spoken English. Yeah. Am I sitting properly?
Are you fond of eating mango?
Yeah, I am damn fond of eating mango.